below the bridge, you see, below the bridge. It's good. We can't go there.
Yeah.
Further, yes.
Yeah.
The main thing is you have to know. This was one village. They have one school.
انا عدال ابوي بدي الف على رام الله عشان اجي هون بدي تصريح
حتى الأراضي اللي للسكان اللي ساكنين غاب وهون اعتبروهم حارس أملاك الغائبين.
لا لحد الآن انسوا الكلام هذا. مشتركة انسى شو بدك معتبر؟
يعني انه قاعدين بصادروا يعني.
بس هم كيف معتبرين الموضوع؟
لسه ما صارش الكلام هذا من طبقة.
So look, the people who live there have Palestinian documents there. It's not allowed for them to come here. You understand me?
Perfectly.
Yes. Now, if you want to go there, how you can go? If you want to go by your car, for example, how you can go? You will never. You can't. You have to go to Ramallah. This is 500 meters. You have to go, I think, more than 15 meters.
بدك تصريح بدك غلبة. روح هات ابوي روح.
You could imagine now.
Well,
This is a small thing. You see below the bridge, it's closed by stones, and you see you can't go.
So this is the historical village of Bet Hanina.
This is the old BD. There are many old houses. You can see, of course, many new, but there are many old houses.
الهويات يعني الجهتين بحمل الهويات الإسرائيلية والهويات الفلسطينية السكان بحمل الجنسيتين.
The interesting thing that the people who live there, many of the people who live there, many of them, some of them has Israeli ID, like me, and his brother has Palestinian.
Idea.
Why? Because maybe they lived here, and his brother built their big house, and they began to live there. When he was here, he had ID. When he is there, he is already Palestinian. He is not
But this
Israeli.
situation is from Oslo or always has been like that?
See, before Oslo, this also was the same thing. But after also Oslo, when they put this road and they separated by wall, the problem began. Before Oslo, the people, anyone from Ramallah could go to Tel Aviv and back without any question, without checkpoints.
هذا واحد اثنين بهي المدرسة المدرسة هاي كانت تخدم كل أهل بيت حنين.
Now look, let me think. The school is there for all the children there. Now look, they have to make another school for them. They have to, you know, it's very difficult to imagine this.
Because before the school was
It was one school, big school for all. It's a small village, not big village.
حتى المسجد واحد.
The mosque also was one mosque. Now they must have two, everything two.
المقبرة دكتور بالنسبة للمقبرة وأملاكنا مشتركة أهلنا مشتركين.
Now look, he has ID Palestinian. If now the army machine will come, they can arrest him. But he is going to his sister, who live there, who has Israeli documents. You can imagine.
yeah.
That's the question. Okay, let's go there
yes,
to the other side
yes, and we will
to see. Now I just wanted from here to show you this place.
إذا بدك توصل دكتور
Okay.
عند أبوي بقدر نوصل.
It's already امتى سكروه هذا؟
هذا صار لنا مسكر حوالي 4 شهور.
لا قبلها كانوا يروحوا يجوا الناس؟
لا قبل تسكير
يعني
مكعبات.
امتى صار ممنوع؟
إلى تقريبا نقول أعطيهم كل 4 شهور بدك الناس تروح وتيجي.
ها؟
شهر ونص.
لا 4 شهور كانت 4 شهور.
It's already like this. It's very difficult to go.
ولا بقى مسكر
4 months
زمان بس يعني.
It has been like this for 4 months.
Like this, like now. That the car can't go from here to that side and back.
Yeah.
It's already
But the
4 months.
road was built.
It was built, but from here you can't go to the road. You will go beneath the road to the other side. You can't go from here to the road. Okay, let's go.
بدي يموت الميت، بدي يموت واحد من هون. ماشي المقبرة هون.
وين
نبدي يقبروا هي
بس بتحيل مش مقبرة واحدة مش كلها.
هي تعال فرجك هي
المقبرة
هذول.
شاف البرج هذاك البرج هذا البرج تلفزيون الجوال البرج
عندك فيها
عند البرج هذا.
آه.
هذا المقبره عندي بالضبط.
look.
هذه المقبره.
You see there the tower?
Yes.
The tower? There is the land where they put their dead people. You know?
Cemetery.
Yes. It's only one. So how the people from here can go there now? They must have another one here.
وين يلفوا فيها؟
يعني بتطلع ريحه.
They have to go to Ramallah and from Ramallah.
على رام الله وعلى الغالي كثير.
كله بتطلع ريحتها بالسياره كمان نوصل
يعني
So how long does
بدها
it take
تصريح
to do
المية.
it? Like
Okay. It will take it's first of all more than 15 or maybe 20 kilometers. Second, they have to take
بدها تصريح.
permission from Israeli government.
الميت.
تابع
Permission
برج.
to cross to go to Ramallah.
Not to Ramallah, but for example,
How you arrive to Ramallah from here?
from here you have to go to Ramallah, and
But
from
where?
Ramallah to Beerna. Where?
No, bro. From where? From where?
From here, from this road, Kalandia,
Kalandia,
Ramallah, and then to
Ramallah.
Bir Nabala.
بير نباله.
You know Bir Nabala.
Yeah.
And from there, and so on.
So how long does it take you, the journey?
Okay, the journey 20 kilometers.
Hello.
You can imagine, no, for example, maybe we will say 2 hours, 1.5 hours, because the roads are bad and so on. The main thing is, all people are relatives, you know.
Yeah.
They have to sit together because they have a dead person and all the. Those people can't come here. It's forbidden for them. And these people can't go there. They have to go to Ramallah to go there. You understand? Come on to go to other side.
بعدين يطيح الزيتون.
ماشي يا حاج.
الزيتون طاح. كيف بده يمركوا العالم؟
Look
كيف
now,
كيف
many people from there, they have here their olives.
كيف
These
بده
olives.
يمركوا؟
The owner is there. He can't come here to collect the olives. He can't.
كيف بده يمركوا زي العالم؟ بيجوا حتى يمرك كأن العسكري بيمسكي الواحد هذا بكل بهر
If any person try to come, the soldier will catch him and throw him away. Now it's the season to collect the olives. You know. Now it's in October. All people who has olives here, you see here, there, they can't collect.
هاي الجيش جماعي هون.
Yalla, come on. Now look, for example, if I want to go there to that road, you see, for example, to Tel Aviv, I have go to Jerusalem and then there. Why they don't open from here the road for us? We are from Jerusalem also. We are as if Israeli citizens.
Why do you think?
Why? Because because our problems for them means nothing. Let's go first there. Look, now some houses, the house, Israeli municipality, Israeli government consider that this is the territory of Israel. But the people who live them are not Israeli people. For example, this house. Look. For example, this house. The people who live here, if the soldiers meet them there, then they can take them to prison. They don't have the right to go the shop here.
But they,
So
they
just here.
They don't have the right to go.
to go where?
Here is Jerusalem, but here is not already. So they can't. He can't go from here to any place here. You know, this is you can't imagine.
But they live here.
Here, they live here
This is the house.
since 30 years.
30
30.
years.
30 years.
Yeah.
They live here. You know, they are the same as me, Palestinians.
Yes. They have a Palestinian ID.
Yes. No, Palestinian ID. This is after Oslo.
Okay.
You know, before this, yes, there was Jerusalem and there was ID for West Bank. You know, but the people lived here, there, no problem. Now he has the مرحبا كيف حالك? Now they have Palestinian documents, but the territory here is Jerusalem. So he can't go. You can ask him. He can't go from here, for example, to my house. He will stop him. Give me your document. He will take him to prison. So they can go from here, from this mountain to Bir Nabala.
So how do they do it? You know, to go to a shop to buy to visit.
It's difficult for them. They look, is there soldiers? No, I will go. I will meet. This is the problem. It's very good. I asked him to make something near my house. He told me I can't go. I can't go with soldier. It's 300 meters from here.
And to whom do they pay taxes?
They have to pay taxes for home to municipality of Jerusalem, but they don't have مرحبا. But they don't have any rights here. They don't have right for health. For health, nothing, because they are not citizens of Israel as other people. We are as if citizens of Israel. The people of East Jerusalem considered to be citizens of Israel. You know this officially. But they have other documents. So they will have no rights. Nothing. This is one. There is another house there on the corner. Here is, I will show you, is a park and a big restaurant. It's also Palestinian, belong to Palestinian Authority.
Yeah.
That shop belongs to Palestinian Authority, but now they closed the shop and the restaurant. Because you know,
So how was the line drawn? I mean, this boundary between what is
when?
Israel?
Before 1967, for example, before 1967, this and the road and there, and you have to go many kilometers there, it was Palestinian. Yes, it was Palestinian, of course. This is a new line. As if the same thing as the wall. It's a new, and they put the wall as they like. It's not on any, any line. It's not the territory of 1967. But the people here are Palestinians. So, you live here, you have to pay taxes because you live here.
Yeah.
For the municipality and everything. But they have no rights because they are not citizens. Insurance and this and like this.
For how long have they been in this situation?
30 years they are here. But this difficult situation that it's forbidden for them to go to بيت حنينة to anywhere. It's about قديش صار لهم مانعينكم تروحوا من هون على بيت حنين او على القدس؟
من اول الانتفاضه
يعني 4 سنين.
تقريبا 6 سنين من 2000.
About 6 years.
About 6 years.
6 years already.
And have they done anything to try to change it?
This is not the problem of only these people. In many borders, in many places, it's a big problem in the country. It's not also here. It's in many places.
I know, but have they tried to go and speak to a lawyer or to the?
Of course, very serious organizations discussed this question. Many of them went to the high court, Israeli high court, without any good result. You see here, a house was built. You see, it's destroyed. You see, it's destroyed. And I will show you many houses here.
But destroyed
Huh?
by Israelians.
Israelis, of course.
But it's supposed that it's Palestinian Authority.
Yes, but Palestinian Authority, but you know the territories of Palestinian Authority are ABC. You know?
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah.
ABC. A, everything for Palestinian Authority. B, the land for Palestinian Authority and the security for Israel. C, it belongs to Palestinian Authority, but it's not allowed to Palestinian Authority to make anything there. These territories are C. So if any people want to build here a house, he must take permission from Israel. Not only here, in that village also, Beit Hanina.
Yeah.
Beit Hanina, Palestinian Authority, but they must take a permission from Israel.
Did the people live in these houses?
Huh?
Did the people live in this house?
Which one? Yes, here?
Yes.
People live here.
No, in the demolished house.
The ones that The ones that we just have seen.
Yes, yes,
that
yes.
are the
Of
most-
course, of course. They come and tell them, go from here. Look, this was very, very nice house. It's okay. You see, it was okay. They told them you have to go from here. They took them by power and yes, and destroyed everything. Why? Okay, I want permission. Give me. They don't want to give them. And I think there are many, many places. Anywhere you go, you will find any destroyed house. You will see this.
And you just told us that the cases that some people that moved
There, you
out-
see there also.
Yeah.
Another one, many places. Anywhere you can see this.
So you just told us about people who moved out. So do you think that
No,
they are?
no. Look, this is habitually it happens like I tell you. They come in the morning, many military cars with how is it, excavator. You know what this is? Yes, the big one, the yellow, which we saw there. And they told them you have to leave this dome. We will give you half an hour to take whatever you like. Half an hour, 1 hour.
And then where do they go?
And often people tell them, we will not go from here. The soldiers will come, will catch them, and they will destroy it.
And where do they go after this? The
But
people.
it's not a problem for them.
But where do they go?
He will try to rent a flat anywhere, or to brothers, or to sisters, or some people made a camp as camp, but they didn't allow them the military organs. Yes. So yes, that's it.
Do they try to build after this?
What?
And then do they try to build again the house?
This house they can't, because if they build it, they will destroy it again. So they will leave it and wait. Maybe something, any political something will happen, or you know, Catherine, they delayed our areas here in Jerusalem. For example, this area is green area. What is this on the car? It's a green area, which means
According to them.
yes, it's green. No, green as if for trees and something like this. So most of the Arab lands, you know, most of Arab territories are green. So it's not allowed to build anything.
Yeah.
Are green. You know, other areas are yellow. Yellow, they have to discuss this question. And the small area, it's I don't know how is it. You can build there. When the military car come and asking for these for documents, why you are here? This is the last time for you. You must not come here. It's allowed for you already. You know, it's a question.
They never received a letter, an
Of
official
course
letter
not.
from the
Yeah.
municipality.
No,
saying-
nothing.
Neither from the Palestinian Authority.
No. Palestinian Authority, they don't know. They don't know anything. You see, here is Palestinian Authority, as I told you. Here is Palestinian Authority. So if you want to go from Palestinian Authority from here to the other side of Palestinian Authority, you have to go, look, under this. It's difficult to go. You see there is a tunnel behind. But it's closed now. They closed it. You understand me?
Yeah, that was the way that was communicating both sides before.
Yes, both sides. Palestinian Authority and here Palestinian Authority here. But here, some people, you know, some people. But if he want to go, if anyone here, if he is ill, and they have to call ambulance,
Yeah.
they can't. If ambulance come from Jerusalem, it's forbidden for him to go to Jerusalem because he is not Israeli. But ambulance can't come here. I will try.
Zim zone.
When did they close the tunnel?
The tunnel is closed. You know, it's closed 4 or 5 months, and then they will open it for 1 month, and then they will close it. Now I don't know it's closed or not.
You never know. It's. They
But
do
you
it
see,
randomly.
I think it's.
I thought it was permanently closed.
I don't know if it's allowed for me to come here now. I don't know. I don't know. It's closed. You
You
see?
never
You
know.
see? You see no road. It's closed. You see? Yes. No.
Clear.
So you can go to just to walk. Only to walk by. Just to walk.
Where is the tunnel?
Tunnel is there. It's
Ah,
there.
yeah, there.
Yes, yes, yes. So you can only walk. You see there, the houses there. All of them are Palestinians.
Yes.
Yes. They are from this side of the mosque, of the bridge. From this side. You know? But this road is Israeli. Here Palestinian. There Palestinian. There Israeli. I mean Israeli according to Israeli laws. They try not to build near Arabs. A little far.